This was a bit unexpected. Well, I'm delighted, so thank you very much to Boox for sending me this. What are you going to see today? This is the Note Air 2. It's a wonderful tablet. It frequently comes top of my comparison. That doesn't mean that I'd recommend it for absolutely everybody. There are one or two things that I'm not absolutely enamored with it for though, and that is firstly this type of case. This type of case is a clip-in case, and it's the only way to do it other than to have a stick-in case. The magnetic snap is brilliant though. And then the other thing that I'm not so keen on is actually the color. For me, lots of people like this. The blue and orange isn't my style. I've been using it recently just as my daily planner and organizer for work, and I think it's absolutely incredible. It does the most out of all of the e-ink tablets that I've tried in any case. More coming soon, however, on this channel. This video is going to be an unboxing and my first thoughts about, well, what's in here. Let's get it open. Thanks again to Onyx Boox for sending this out. Gotta love unboxing videos. So this is the Note Air 2 Plus cover, and cool, this is the Note Air series cover. Let's have a little look at these. Cool. Okay, this is more my style, and I think they've done what a lot of people have asked them to do, which is to have a magnetic clip here which will actually also hold the pen on the side, because the pen will go rattling about in your bag if it's just magnetically attached. Awesome. And then this is the Note Air series cover. So this should fit more than just the Note Air 2 or the Note Air 2 Plus. It should fit all the above. That is really nice. This is the clip-in style, and now I don't need to use that third-party cover for the Note Air 2. There's got to be an easier way to get these in and out. That's lovely. Oh, thanks, bud. And it's a sleeve cover. And compared to the IO2 case, while they're remarkably similar in design for a start, they both have a stand-up feature like so. I'd be hard pressed to really tell the difference between these two in terms of their build quality or anything like so. But that's another video. It's quite nice having the Boox embossed motto there. Which one do you prefer in the comments? This IO2 does come in different colors. I quite liked the wood finish, kind of brown and beigey color there. And this one, no, I think I prefer this. This is really quite an attractive material they've used for this cover here. This is the one I'm going to be sticking with the Note Air 2. On to the main event, the Note Air 2 Plus itself. Full unboxing. I've only ever had review copies before from this company. E-ink tablets aren't cheap. It's probably their main flaw at the minute and why they aren't appealing to more people. Most Boox packaging is a very black color, but this time they've gone for this lovely shade of green. I don't know if you noticed, it doesn't have a clip-in case, so how does it stick to that then? I think this is one of the things that they've been asked for by their very vocal community. One of the things that other e-ink tablets have done, so let's have a look at what exactly they've changed for this, the Note Air 2 Plus. Standard A to C cable, Note Air pen in that lovely matching grey-green, and of course some details to let you know it's a real deal. Should things go wrong, this is the warranty card. That is much more my style. It's so understated before it gets totally fingerprinted up. Of course, it fits in there with magnets. The three big changes are the battery life. I wasn't really complaining about the battery life I was getting with the Note Air 2, but nice to know that you got a bit more. I think they've given it a more pro looking color. I think that the kind of brash blue and orange is fine for some people, but for me personally, as a professional using this for work, the nice dark green is gorgeous. Really fits that bill a little bit better. And of course, they've added the magnets across the back to allow you to have this magnetic snap case. There is one thing, however, that magnetic snap case doesn't allow you to do, which is to stand up, like the Note Air 2 original case. So if you know that you'd prefer this, perhaps you're interested to use your Note Air as a little bit of a writing laptop, a little bit of an e-ink typewriter, perhaps you'd like to go for this type of case so you could use that a bit more like an e-ink typewriter. You can Bluetooth a keyboard, of course, to the Note Air 2. I'll be using the Note Air 2 Plus at work and I'll come back with my full review. But I want to remind you really some of the things that I absolutely love about the Note Air 2 platform already, because those haven't changed. And one thing I'll be able to do is to set up my account here, and it will just pull down all the notebooks that I have from my Onyx Boox cloud. Pretty seamless actually if you do want to own different sizes of devices, or if you want to now upgrade from the Note Air or Note Air 2 to the Note Air 2 Plus. You can map out everything. You can change what each of the different parts of the menu do. There are so many different settings. If you're the person that wants to go ahead and play with settings, that wants to make it your own device and control it in the way that you want to, then this is the clear choice for you. For instance, this corner here can become a full reset, or it can be, as I have it set up, just as a back button. And I have a full refresh here in the navigation ball. The key thing is with this device, you can use it for work or play. You can use it for your professional life, you can use it as your basis for writing, and you can have the full Google Play Store and you can download any game that you want to play on it as well. If you're the type of person that wants to use one device for many different aspects of their life, then this is the most customizable and it can fit in the most different workflows out of all of the ink tablets. So it can switch between the uses and it makes it really versatile. And because it's Android, which I use generally for my phone as well, you've got all the familiar things like the recents button where you've got access to the apps that you were using recently. There's loads of things to love about the Note Air 2. So once you're logged in, all of your notepads, including the pen comparison that I just did recently, are synced up with the device. So for me, going ahead and using this tomorrow at work, I'll have all the same notes that I had on it before. Auto rotate must be disabled, which is pretty cool. Notes have synced up, but not my books, it seems, although maybe that will happen in due course. And let's give a little bit of a go to the Note Air 2 Plus. This shouldn't be any different in terms of the screen to the Note itself. It's lovely. I'll be back sooner than you think with my first thoughts on using the Note Air 2 Plus. I'm going to give it a little bit of a hands-on review, and that will be based on having used the Note Air 2 Plus for a few days at work. In the meanwhile though, a lot of the features are really similar to the original Note Air 2, it's just those few extras, the Plus. And so go ahead and check out these videos if you're interested in the features of the Note Air 2. In short though, it's really good.